find out what phys ed teachers Larry had between grades 4 and 12.
Wamenyera umwarimu wigishaga physique Larry hagati yo mu wa 4 no mu wa 12 yego.
Coach maybe.
Cyangwa nka coach cyangwa iki kindi. Wari ufite uruhara.
Yellow and blue should be the school colors.
Hakuno kirahure kiramukase. Umugabo abonye mwiyerekwa mu bitekerezo by'uriya musore avuga ati munshakire reka rubona.
You've heard the saying,
ese bikunda kubaho gute mu buzima busanzwe?
Mind over body, right?
Ntabwo ujya wumva bavuga ngo ujye ukoresha ubwonko mbere y'umubiri.
My mother stood in there, not only felt real,
rero mama nje byaba yiyumvamo iyo ari kukwinjira mu bwonko kuriya ntabwo ari ibyanyabyo gusa.
it was real. That's why we have to be careful.
byagombaga kuba ari ibyanyabyo nyine ugomba kwirinda mwana. Okay.
Has she ever done that to you?
Biriya bintu yankoreye we yigeze abigukora?
No.
Yeah.
I think she's afraid of what she might see.
Jemba numva afite ubwoba bw'ibyo ashobora kubona mu mutwe wanjye.
Note it. Maybe at the hospital. I work there. She could help a lot
ariko byibura yava ahantu akorera mwana.
of people.
Akaza nko kwa muganga kandi yafasha abantu benshi.
The rules are there to protect her.
Amategeko hari nayo kumurinda mama.
Well, she's just a therapist.
Mu isi yo hanze ni umuterapiste n'umuganga uvura bijyanye n'uburwayi bwo mu mutwe gusa bisanzwe.
Ordinary standard practice.
Rero ntago biriya bintu aba yemereye kubikora agomba kuguma yijijisha. Ukecuru afite imbaraga nimba ari izagipfumu nimba ari iziki zo kuba yakwinjira mu bwonko akabona ibintu byakubayeho cyangwa akaba yabona ikibazo ufite ikintu kiri kuguhiga imbaraga ziri majike nyine.
Have you ever tried it?
Wese wigeze ubigerageza?
Is it passed down?
Nyine biriya bintu bundi ndabizi n'ibintu bagenda bahererekanwa mu muryango. Iyo umugore aroga byara umwana nawe azabusigira.
Been training, but nothing yet.
Oya naritoje ariko nta kintu nigeze mbona.
Have the ability though.
Kandi kibabaje ababyeyi banjye bari bafite izo mbaraga.
Master it together.
Baraziganye baranazimenyerana.
They found each other actually.
Nako ni nako bahuye.
Your dad did it too?
Na papa wawe niko yari ameze. Kiraho. Ebe. Rokomanze hano.
I'll be right back, okay? Take as much time as you need.
Ndaje we fata akanya kawe kose wumva ushaka ntari bindaje. Hakuno. Hepfo irimo witonze. Hey. Kureba hano. Chega chebucici. Yewe. Akana kare. Nagufasha.
I need to speak to Cynthia Winston.
Shaka kuvugana na Cynthia Winston.
Don't think she's expecting any.
Ndakeka nta muntu yarategereje.
Don't have much time. I need to speak.
Ntagiye nsigaranye. Shaka kuvugana nawe nonaha. Nkeneye ubufasha. Kana kajano.
Come in from the rain.
Kayinjira uve mu mvura yewe mwa. Kana kinjira hano.
Someone? Like a parent or?
Uri kumwe n'umuntu wari we wese nk'umubyeyi cyangwa.
I need to talk to Cynthia. I heard
papa wanje ari kuza kandi nkeneye kuvugana na Cynthia.
Help me.
Numvishije ko yamfasha.
Grocery store. I stole this from him.
Papa wanje musize kuri supermarket grocery store aho bacuruza imboga n'imbuto.
He's going to know where I am.
Aka kantu nakamwibye.
I need to see her
bivuze ngaza ahantu ndabara.
before he
gets. Ushaka kubonana n'uwo mugore Cynthia Morgan.
It's here. Okay.
Mbere yuko agera hano sawa.
Sawa. Just run here.
Sharahari. Debe. Kureba Cynthia kana kari hano sinzi reba kirega cyabucece.
Listen, you can tell me if you're in danger.
Wambwira nimba uri mu bibazo. Yego mbirimo.
Call the police?
No. Wamagare polisi.
No, police.
Oya polisi oya.
to
kuvugana n'uwo mugore. Hey. Cynthia Winston.
Can I ask what happened?
Nakubaza ibyabaye mwana afite ibikovu byinshi ku maboko shaho.
We have a procedure. I can't.
Hano tuba dufite amategeko tugenderaho.
Let you speak to her with.
Sinavugana nawe ntaragucisha muri consultation. Tugomba kubanza kuvugana nka gusuzuma. Sawa. Ebe, hakuno yafata ka agenda.
What's your name? Riley Harris.
Bakwita nde agakarine banyita Riley Harris.
Okay. How old are you?
Ufite imyaka ingahe?
14.
14. Kana gatoya.
And how did you find out about Cynthia?
Ibya Cynthia wabimenye ute Cynthia rero uje kureba?
A woman named Agatha told my dad that
umugore witwa Agatha yabibwiye papa wanjye.
She could help someone like me.
Aravuga ngo niwe wafasha umuntu umeze nkanje.
What do you mean? Someone like you?
Ushatse kuvuga iki ngo umuntu umeze nkawe wa mwana we? Hey! Wumve! Hari ikintu njya mbona.
What kind of things?
Ibintu bimeze bite? Njya mbona ikintu. I think.
Can you describe it to me?
Wambwira ukuntu kiba kimeze wa mwana we?
Dark.
Kijimye.
Like a person, but
kijimye kimeze nk'umuntu ariko.
Not.
Ntago ari umuntu.
Seriously.
Kirandeba.
Like a starving dog.
Like a starving dog. Nk'imbwa ishonje.